there's lots, you can do back and forth like I am. All right, now next we're moving to the nasal labial fold right here.
Hey, I've been using this ZIIP for a while now, and I wanted to share with you the ways that I use this. I don't have fillers or Botox, and I use this as a bit of a facelift. I will place the timestamp so you can see the before and after. The ZIIP is a nano-current device that delivers nano-sized electric currents deep into the skin and kills bacteria and promotes younger looking skin. The ZIIP has a corresponding app that syncs with your phone. Today I will be using the energized treatment. The app is super responsive. 1 beep means that it's on, 2 beeps mean that it's off, and 3 beeps mean that you have selected a new treatment. Prepping my skin using the golden gel, which comes with the ZIIP. I will add the links for the ZIIP device and the refills in the description. You can also save 20% by using my code KAFI. That's code KAFI. So when using the golden ZIIP gel, I like to use 9 pumps. I applied a generous amount of the golden gel. I use about 9 pumps just to make sure that gel can act as a conduit for the current to penetrate my skin before using the device. The ZIIP app has different treatments to choose from. They can take anywhere from 2 minutes to 12 minutes. Today I'm using the energized treatment. And I like to take it all the way up to the lash line. It's going to help conduct the microcurrents. And you want to be pretty generous with this gel all over your neck and all over your face. So like make sure you're well coated. And I like to take a paper towel and just wipe off the excess because it's pretty slippery. ZIIP app has several different treatments to choose from. They can take anywhere from 2 minutes to 12 minutes. Today I'm using the energized treatments, which actually takes about 12 minutes. This treatment is used for toning, glowing, contouring, and considering I just woke up, my face is quite puffy. The app syncs with your phone and gives you a step-by-step tutorial that is super easy to follow. The ZIIP also comes with an instruction manual that gives you a step-by-step if you prefer printed instructions. All the treatments are temporary. Lasting results happen with continuous use. For full layout of treatments and how to use, check out my blog post. I will link it in the description. Depending on what you want to target, you can also use combination beauty treatments, like the Puff, which is the primer treatment, vital eyes, and energize. Also, depending on the treatment you used, you can leave the gel primer on as a mask before rinsing. All the gels act as a conduit, but they do have different price points based on the added benefits. Check the links in the description. Let me know in the comments if you're using a microcurrent or nano-current device, or if you've even seen a ZIIP Beauty device before.
Now, if your skin is very thin, you don't need to get too far up here. You can kind of stay on these lines where there's a little bit more meat. You'll get better conductivity that way.
So I do like to do this every other day, not every single day, just every other day. And I do feel a difference. Sometimes you feel like a little zing on the top of your head, but it's not painful. It's just something satisfying about it. And you finish using your ZIIP, you want to use something soft to just wipe it down. You can use gauze according to the tutorial. I like to use a piece of cloth, or you can use the cloth that they gave you with the set. But this is just like how I like to do it. I also like to keep a little spray bottle of alcohol and just spray it down. So it also comes with a pouch, but for me, I just like to keep mine in the box. It's easier and more convenient for me to keep it in the box on my vanity. I also keep the ZIIP Golden Gel. I like to give that a little wipe down as well. and put it back into the box. That's just the way I like to keep it. You don't have to do it that way. After this, I like to rinse my face off and get the rest of my skincare on. And I also like to have a giant glass of water. So I had a glass of water before and a glass of water afterwards. Hit that subscribe button, like this video if you like it, and share this video with a friend, an auntie, or someone who's into skin. Thank you so much for watching.